Well, it's the end of August. School's about ready to start. And my gardening season is headed toward a close. In the end, I got, and still have, just buckets of yellow pear, cherry, grape, Roma tomatoes, huge amounts of Italian squash, a certain amount of patty pan, and I don't know, a lot more of Savannah Flynn's yellow cucumbers than I can eat. The apple tree, red apple tree, is slogging toward harvest. Things I can do next year. I think I can get everything a little more space. I think I can add a few more boxes and plant the same amount of plants and get more production. And secondly, I track the light patterns of this yard. And of course, in the Pacific Northwest, you want to plant as early as you can and give those plants a chance to have morning light. I will say this. My 2-pound bucket elderberries, which I was really concerned about, they all did great this summer. One of them 6 feet tall. And one of them, what I thought that had died, the one far back in the shade, actually regrew itself. My Nulla Helenium is doing well. I've yet to harvest it. I made applesauce from the green apples. I got as many as the low-flung 10-foot ladder cherries as I could, and the squirrels made sure to drop the rest on my head while they were eating them, way up high. So it's been a good year. I've learned a lot, and the short growing season of Whatcom County here at the 49th parallel is going to come to a close pretty soon. They say we have a little bit of hot weather left, but it was 49 degrees yesterday, and we've already had our first big dumps of warm rain. The cold rain is coming. Ryan out.